Hi guys, today we're going to talk about line symmetry and lines of symmetry. Remember that as I'm teaching, make sure to write down notes. You can pause it if you need more time to write. So a shape has line symmetry if it can be folded, so its two parts match exactly. So when you fold it, they should match up. The fold line, or a line of symmetry, divides the shape into two parts that are the same size and shape. So I want you to look at this shape right here. Is there a way that I can fold it so that these sides match up exactly? So as you can see, they match up exactly. So right here would be our line of symmetry. This is where we fold it so that the two sides match up. These two sides should look exactly the same. So we're gonna look at some lines right here, and you're gonna tell me if you think that this line right here is a line of symmetry or no. Okay, so let's look at this arrow right here. Look at this line right here. Is this a line of symmetry? If I folded these two together, would they match up? No. So since they wouldn't match up, this is not a line of symmetry. Alright, our next shape right here is a circle. It's not a perfect circle because you can't draw a perfect circle, but pretend that these sides look exactly the same. So is this line right here a line of symmetry? If I folded these two sides together, would they match? Yes. So this would be a line of symmetry. Alright, let's look at this triangle. Is this a line of symmetry right here? If I fold it in half, would it match up? Yep, if I fold it together, they would match up, so it is a line of symmetry. And here we have a trapezoid. Is this line right here a line of symmetry? So if I folded this together, would they match? No. So on the two that we said no to, let's think about if there is a line of symmetry in this shape. Is there somewhere that I could draw a line and they would match up? So in this trapezoid right here, if I drew my line right here, when I folded them, they would match up. So this is the line of symmetry on this trapezoid. And on this arrow, think about if you think that there's somewhere that I can draw a line of symmetry so that the two sides will match up. If I draw my line right here, this would be a line of symmetry. Some shapes have no line of symmetry. So like this L right here, there's no way that I can fold it and the two sides would match up. So this L has no lines of symmetry. Okay, think about, does this heart have a line of symmetry? Is there somewhere I can draw a line and when I fold it, the two sides will match up? So our line of symmetry for our heart will be right here. Some shapes have more than one line of symmetry. So think about the ways that I could fold this and the two sides would match up. We can fold it in half like this. And we can fold it in half like this. So our rectangle has two lines of symmetry. Some shapes have even more lines of symmetry than that. I can fold my square diagonally. I can fold it diagonally the other way. I I can fold it in half this way, and I can fold it in half this way. So let's look at all of our lines of symmetry for a square. So our square has 1, 2, 3, 4 lines of symmetry. And let's look at our circle again. So we know that this is a line of symmetry. Let's think of all the other lines of symmetry we can draw. We can draw one horizontally, diagonally, and if you notice, we can draw a line of symmetry at any point. A circle has infinite or unlimited amounts of lines of symmetry on it. So remember, a shape has line of symmetry if it can be folded and its parts match exactly. And the fold, or the line, is a line of symmetry that divides the shape into two parts that are the same size and shape. So you're going to do some problems like that in your small book. Make sure to ask your teacher if you have any questions.